Okay, so for this video, we're going to be talking about how to rewrite numbers using exponents. Okay, so let's start with just number 4. Okay, and I want to think of a way that I can rewrite 4 using exponents. Well, 4 is a perfect square, so the square root of 4 is 2. So here, I can rewrite 4 as 2 squared. Okay, then what about 8? Well, 8 I can rewrite as 2 times 2 times 2. Well, how can I rewrite 8 using exponents? 2. Okay, so let's try it harder. Let's try 27. 27. Okay. So take a minute, pause the video, and try to rewrite 27 using exponents. Okay, welcome back. All right, so, well, I know that 27 can be rewritten as 3 times 3 times 3. So here I can rewrite 27 exponents as 3. Okay, well, let's continue this idea. So let's add another element. So what if I had 9? Okay, so I have 9, and the exponent is x plus 2. Okay, well, let's start by rewriting 9. Okay, say I want to get the base to be something else, so let's try rewriting 9. Well, I know I can rewrite 9 as 3 squared. Okay, so I use exponents to rewrite. But then if I want to change this to 3 squared, this 9, what happens with this? Well, if I rewrite 3 squared, I have to leave the x plus 2 up here. Like this. Okay. And these are being multiplied, so these multiply each other. We have 2 times x plus 2. Y distribute. So I get 3. Okay, so let's try another one. What if I had 4 3x squared? Let's try that one. Well, I know I can rewrite 4 as 2 squared. Okay, so I'm in a situation here where I want to rewrite the 4 using exponents, so I rewrote it as this. Okay, well, what happens with this 3x squared? Well, we have to leave it up there. It becomes 2 times 3x. So we multiply these together. So then this gives me 2 to the 6x squared. Let's try a different one. So let's try 27 to the x plus 4. Okay, so take a minute, pause the video, try this one on your own, and then come back. Okay, welcome back. So our first step, right? So say we're in a situation where I want to rewrite 27 using an exponent. Well, as we learned up here, we can rewrite 27 as 3 to the third. Okay, and then we're left with this x plus 4. We have to leave that up there, and what do we do with it? We multiply. So be sure to keep that in parentheses. To distribute here, so you get 3x plus 4. Okay, so to kind of recap here, we found ways that we can rewrite numbers using exponents. And then we took it a little farther and talked about, well, how can we rewrite numbers using exponents when they already have an exponent right here? So we're going to use this skill that we learned when we rewrite a number using exponents to get a different base, and then we multiply these together. We're going to use this as we start the new unit.